We are live right now, and I want to welcome you to the Millionaire webinar. Okay, I want to welcome you all to the Millionaire webinar. All right, so here we are going to learn how to create a website. Okay, so if you are here with me, I want you to type yes in the comment section below. If you can hear me loud and clear, I want you to type yes in the comment section below. Come on, go ahead. Type yes. If you can hear me, I want you to type yes in the comment section below. All right. If you can hear me, I want you to type yes in the comment section below. If you can hear me, I want you to type yes in the comment section below. If you can hear me loud and clear, type yes in the comment section below. I want to know how many people are hearing me loud and clear. Okay, so I'll be waiting for some people to get on board so as to go so that I'll just start the webinar. Okay, all right, I need to actually know if you guys can see that I am live. Okay, so please, if you can hear me, just type yes in the comment section. If you can see the screen, I want you to type yes in the comment section below. Okay, if you can see the screen, type yes in the comment section below. All right, let me know how many people are hearing nurse. Okay, so guys, quickly we want to start to build website. Okay, and let me show you the kind of website we want to build today. Okay, so this is the kind of website we want to build. As you can see, this is a very beautiful website, and we'll be building this kind of website today. But like I said, I really want to know if you can hear me. Type yes in the comment section below. I want you to type yes in the comment section below if you can hear me loud and clear. I can see that 2 people have joined us. If you can hear me, type yes. Type yes. Yes. I want to see yes. Okay. Ola Dosun Shegun said yes. Okay. Any other person listening to us? I want you to type yes. If you can hear me loud and clear, I want you to. As you can see, this website has a logo. Um, it has pages, right? And it has a background, and then we have a header here, and we have 2 buttons here, and then we have featured. Maybe if you have been featured in, say you have been featured in Punch, in all of this your international website, you can actually get them here and just change this image to your own. Then this website has what we do, right? So for example, if you offer a service as a coach, then this website is good for you. Then we have some buttons here, some call to action, and then we have testimonial, right? And then we have the about the author, which we have the story here, and then we have another thing here, telling them to get started now. Okay, so this is the kind of website we are going to build. All right, so quickly let me show us, let me type some things here so that I will able to show you some of the things that you might need by the time you want to build a website. Okay, so as you can see, this website here, the address here that you type in the bar is what we call domain name. Okay, that is what we call domain name. And then website is sectionized into about 3 parts, okay, or 4. Here we have the header. Okay, this is the header of the website, and inside this header we have the All of these things are called menu. All right, the home, about us, service, courses, ebooks, and all of that, they are called menu. All right, and then this place is also part of the header, but this is more like the big banner in the header. Okay, then here, everything here, we call them the content or the body of the website. Okay, and then of course we now have the footer of the website. You can see powered by Go Global Estate, and then all of those things that they are called the footer. Okay, so we are going to build a website like this. I think this is a professional website that you can build, right? Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to do the same. So let me just mention some of the things that you might need if you want to build a website. The first thing you will need is a hosting, and then domain. These are the two major things that you need to build a website. Okay, so let me quickly type it down in the Google Docs so that you can be able to see what I am doing. All right, if you are enjoying this webinar already and you can hear me loud and clear, I want you to type dodo in the comment section below. All right, type dodo in the comment section. I want you to type dodo in the comment section. You guys need to be really engaging with this webinar. If you really want me to continue, I want you to type dodo in the comment section. Okay, I want you to type dodo in the comment section. I need to ensure that you guys are listening to me live, loud and clear. Okay, so type dodo in the comment section if you can hear me loud and clear. Type dodo. All right, so I need to know if you guys can hear me. Type dodo if you can hear me. All right, so the first thing, let me put this as Alan webinar, webinar. Okay, that's the title. All right, so I said you need some things to get started. Okay, you need a domain name. Let me put it, let me make it bigger. Yeah, you need, can you see the screen? Can you see? Can you see the screen? Okay, you need a domain name, e.g. an example of domain name is facebook.com. Okay, okay, so that's an example of domain name. And you need domain name. I said example of domain name is facebook.com, and you also need a hosting. All right, so you can get this hosting uh, from places like GoDaddy, Namecheap, um, HostGator, Bluehost, and all of that. By the time you buy your domain name and hosting, they are going to send you your login details. Okay, so your login details is going to be like this for your cPanel, your website.com/cPanel. All right, so this is how your log, and then they'll give you, definitely they'll give you a password. All right, so these are the things that they are going to give you by the time you buy hosting and domain name. So because of our time, I wouldn't want to go into the process of buying hosting and domain name because I already have that, right? So I'm just going to go into the training startup. So this is the way your cPanel is going to be. All right, so this is the way your cPanel is going to be. So um, immediately you buy your hosting and your domain name, they will give you access to log in here. All right, so this is my own login, so, and I'm just going to log in right now, so you guys can see that it's authenticating and it has given me access. Okay, so the first thing you will do when you get to this place, I recommend Namecheap actually if you want to buy your domain name and hosting for a start. Okay, so right? So you just come to this place, you will see Subtaculous Apps Installer. Okay, can you see this? Please, I need you guys to respond. I need you guys to respond. I need you guys to respond. Can you see this Subtaculous App Installer? All right, great. Can you see this Subtaculous App Installer? If you can see it, say I can see it. I want you to type I can see it in the comment section below. If you can see this Subtaculous App Installer, type I can see it in the comment section below. I need to know if you guys can see me, can see it loud and clear. Type I can see it. All right. I want you to type I can see it. Okay, I can see it. If you can see that Subtaculous Apps Installer, this thing that I'm showing you on the screen, I want you to type I can see it. Okay, I want you to type I can see it. All right, I need to know if you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. Type I can see it. Okay, all right. Ajao Igdowu Phillips says, I can see it. It means people are actually seeing this particular thing. Yeah, Precious Akomalafe said, yes. Okay, it means you guys can see what we are doing right now. All right, so after you've seen this Subtaculous app installer, what we want to use to build this website is actually WordPress. Okay, WordPress. Now, why WordPress? WordPress is powered um, is one of the content, we call it, let me show you what we call it here. We call it CMS. Okay, CMS stands for Content Management System. Okay, excuse me, it stands for Content Management System. So is the most powerful content management system in the world, and WordPress is powering over 30 million websites in the whole world. An example website that WordPress is powering is, Tribune. It's powering Punch. Punch is spelled as this. All of those, most of these major newspapers that you are seeing today, is WordPress that is powering them. WordPress is powering BBC Africa, and the BBC website. So you can just go and look at some of the websites that WordPress is powering, and then WordPress is also powering, I think Jumia, yeah, So these are some of the websites that you can use WordPress to build. For example, you can build e-commerce, you can build news blogs, and all of those websites. So when you get to this place, all right, when you get to this Subtaculous app installer, you just click on what. So it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Yeah, I hope that you guys are enjoying this webinar already. So this is the time to give you guys more value, because everybody is at home right now. So I'm just trying to do this to help you guys. Okay, so now when you come to this Subtaculous app installer, all right, you just click on install now. That is what you need to do. You just click on install now. So now let me show you something, guys. Leave this thing as it is. This this version, leave it as the latest version. I know you wouldn't want to use an old version. Okay, leave this as it is. Then you come here and choose your domain. Now, if you are buying for the first time, if you are buying your hosting and domain name for the first time, you will not see any other domain here. All right, these are just some of the websites that I've built for our clients. All right, so but I'll just choose this domain because that is the one we want to use. So you choose this. All right, now if you get to some hosting, all right, when you are buying for the first time, you'll see something like WP here. In this indirectly, look at this place where my mouse is. All right, this directly is relative to your domain and should not exist, e.g. whatever. So what you do is that you delete this. Make sure that this thing is left empty here. Okay, make sure that this is left empty. So you choose your domain name and then you go. So I'm just going to call this let's call it estate. Let's call this Millionaire, Millionaire uh, web designer. All right. Excuse me. Millionaire web designer. So say, I help you to create a website. Let's just leave it like that. That tons that help helps you make millions. All right. All right. So great. So you put, actually all of those things you can change it later on, even if you don't put it here. So, but I'm just trying to do that here. So when you come to this way, you'll see this enable multi-site. Leave it the way it is. Don't check it. All right. When you come here, admin username, make sure that you change this to your name. So I'm just going to call this, let's say, Shola Matthew. Shola Matthew. All right. And then this password, I am going to hide the password. You can generate the password here. Okay. So I can generate this password. You know, this password is secured and strong. I can generate the password here. Okay. All right. But I'm just going to hide this now and just choose a password. All right. You see? Now, when you come to this place, please make sure that you change this email. Make sure that you change it. Change it to your own email that you can access. Okay? Because if you lose your password, this is the email they are going to send the password to you. So don't leave this email like this. Make sure that you change it. So I'm just going to change it to one of my emails at gmail.com. All right. So all of these things, leave them the way they are. All right. Then you come here and then you click on install. Now you see that we'll install this website in just few seconds. All right. So are you getting value already? Okay, some people say I should make it more clearer. Okay. Uh, okay, some people say I should make it more clear. Can you, is it clearer now? Please let me know if it is clearer now. All right. Let me know if it is clearer now. Let me know if it is clearer now. Some people say I should make it clearer. Let me know if it is clearer now. Is it clearer now? Somebody say I cannot even hear and see clearly. Oh, if you are using, let me tell you something. If you are using Facebook Lite, this might give you a problem. Okay, so make sure that you are using Facebook, the normal Facebook. All right, make sure that you are using the normal Facebook. That's that. Make sure that you are using the normal Facebook. Okay, so can you hear me better now? Excuse me. Now, I think I need to take water. All right. So this is the website that we've just installed. Okay. Now let me open it for you to see. Before now, this is the way the website looks like. This xstatesgoglobal.ng. This is the way it looks like. So I'm just gonna refresh it now and see what it looks like now. Wow, this is amazing. So this is a typical website, okay? But this is not really looking good. Is this looking good? Is this looking good? Let me know if this is looking good to you guys. Is this a nice website to you? This website is not really looking awesome, okay? Or is this one looking good to you? No. Let me know what you think. Is this website you would like to have? Is this the kind of website you would like to have? Right? This is a website now that we just installed. I'm going to show you how to build the website to this. If you want me to go ahead and show you how to build a website that looks like this, or even better, type show me in the comment section below. All right, type show me. Type show me. If you want me to build a website that looks like this one instead of this one, type show me. Okay, type show me, type show me, type show me, type show me, type show me. I need to know if you guys are following. Okay, type show me, type show me, show me, show me. Let me see. Many of us are typing that already. Okay, great, 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 great. Oluwale Daniel says show me. Ola Dosun. Okay, is it Ola Dosun or something? I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Shegun, okay, let me just call him Shegun. Shegun says show me. Ayomide Marvelous says show me. Okay, let me have more show me in the comment section. Let me have more people say show me. Okay, let me see how many people can say show me again. We need to see how many show me can I get. How many show me can I get? If you want me to say to continue to show you how to build an amazing website that looks like this one that you are seeing here right now, type show me, type show me, type show me, type show me. Okay, yeah, great, 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 great. I can see that you guys are really keen to knowing this. Okay, Temitope Ilesami said show me. Amazing. Okay, so let's continue. Says people are saying show me, guys. Let's continue. So now this is the website that we built, okay, that we just installed. This particular place you're looking at, let me explain this to you. This particular place you're looking at is what we call the front end. Okay, let me write that down so that some people can see it. Okay, we call it the front end. Front end. Okay, let me put iPhone there. So this particular place that you're looking at is what we call the, this is another front end. This is another front end here that we want to build, want to model, to build a website that looks like this one. Okay, so this is another front end. Okay, so then the back end, let me now show you how the back end will look like. This is it. Okay, you know, after you install that website, after you install the website, you saw something, this, you will see these two links. They say WordPress installation has been successfully installed at this. Then it's now called your administrative URL. Okay, this is your administrative URL, and it will lead you to the back end. So let us open it in a new tab. I don't need this particular place again, so for now at least, so let me just cancel this. Okay, so let's see the way our back end will look like. Let's see the way our back end will look like. Yeah, so this is the back end. Let me write it down. Back end. So this is the back end of the website. So any change you make here will appear here. Okay, so as you can see, this website is not looking good at all. So I am just going to help you. I'm going to show you some of the things that you need to know here. Okay, if you can hear me, please let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me so that I can know how many people are still hearing me. Okay, okay, Oguyemi Dayo say it's now clear. Okay, it's now clear. All right, amazing. All right, so now let me explain some of that you need to know here. Okay, now this place, like I said, is the back end, and in this back end we have posts. For people who want to become bloggers or they want to build blogs, this is where you add your posts. All right, you just come here, you click on add new, and then you add your post. Then here the media is where you install your images, your videos, and all of that. This is where you build the pages like this. All right, these pages, all of those pages that you're looking at, this where you build this is where you here is where you install your themes and you customize your website to look good. Okay, then plugins, then this is where you install your plugins. Then we have user. You can add another person to your website to manage your website, and of course we have other tools here, and then we have settings. Now the first thing you would like to do here is go to your settings and then go to reading. Okay, sorry, you go to permalinks. Okay, permalinks. So let's click on that, because I want to show you one of the things that you need to do in order to make it a good SEO website to look like this, where they're going to have this very long list, right? This very long link. You wouldn't want your website to look like that. So and Google does not really like things like this. So the best one for now to use is this particular one, okay, which is the post name. You cannot want to also use this what is it called, this numeric, and people would like to know what page they are going to, so that is why it is good to use this one. Well, in an advanced one, you can actually use this custom structure if you really know how your website will be structured, but this is not something I would like to go into right now. So what we'll do is that you just change this to post name, and then you come here and you click on save changes. Okay, so the change has been made. So the next thing is to go to your appearance. Okay, now let me quickly explain something to you. This appearance is the way your website will look like. Okay, that is the way your website will look like. All of those things here, it is a theme that makes it look like this. All right, that is appearance, website appearance. Okay, then when we talk about that is what I call the themes. Okay, let me write that down. That's what I call themes. Okay, not what I call, but that's what it's called. Then we also have plugins. Okay, now this plugins is, it adds functionality to your website, so you need plugins and themes. Okay, all right, so there are some that are free and there are some that are paid. All right, so in this webinar I'm going to show you how to use the free one for now, so that even if you want to go and practice this that I'm showing you now, you can actually go and practice it. That's why I'm not using my own paid tools. Okay, so that is why I'm not using it. So what you want to do here right now, to search for Astra. Okay, just search for Astra. Let me copy that and paste it here so that you'll see it again. So I said you search for Astra. Okay, so you search for Astra. So oh yeah, so you see that it's not showing anything, and that is because there's no Astra theme installed here. So what you do now is you click on add new. Okay, can you see that? Yeah, you click on add new. So we'll now search for the Astra there. All right, Ayomide say I can hear you. If you can't hear, I urge you to use earpiece. Please do. If you can use earpiece, please do, so that if you can use earpiece, please do. Okay. Excuse me. Yeah, so when I click on add new, it brings us here. You want to upload, you can upload it here, but what we want to do is that we want to just look for a theme here. So I say you search for Astra. So let's go. Now this is Astra here. There is another one here, Astral. That's not what we want to install. This is the one we want to use. So you just click on install. So it's installing. Now after installation, there's a difference between installation and activate. Okay, so let me go back to that theme. For example, you see that it is installed, but it is not activated. Can you see? We have, this is the activated theme here, and that is why you are seeing something like this here. The activated theme is what you're seeing here. Okay, so now let's go and activate this theme. Click on activate. So let me reload this. Okay, I told you that this is the from make whatever change you make in the back end, it will appear here. Can you see that this has changed now, right? Can you see? If you can see it, say C, C. I want you to type C in the comment section. If you can see this particular change that I just made, I want you to type C. Okay? I want you to type C. If you can see this new change that I just made, I want you to type C. Okay? I want you to type C, C, C. I want you to type C. Okay? If you can see the changes that I just made, I want you to type C. Okay? Let me see how many people can see that particular change that we just created now. I want you to type C. I want you to type C. Like I said, if you follow me to the end, if you follow this webinar to the end, I am going to show you some amazing things that will help you blow you up. You know, it will help you to make, as in, I'm also going to show you how to make 1 million naira, designing website, right? And I'm going to give some people opportunity to join a particular, group with me, so that where we're going to give ourselves challenge to make, will help you, will coach you till you make your first million naira designing website. Okay? Yeah. So if you can see this, I want you to type C in the comment section. Okay? All right. So let me continue. Let me continue. Yeah. So now, after you've installed this, okay, the next thing for you to do is to go to plugins. Okay? Go to plugins. Click on plugins. Excuse me. Click on plugin. All right. When you click on plugin, all of those plugins, they are not. We just delete all of them. We don't need all of this. I'll just click on delete for now, so that you see. So I've deleted them. So what you do right now is you click on add new. Okay, just like we installed the plugin. So now we want to install, just like we installed the theme, now we want to install plugin. As you can see, we have thousands of plugins in this website plugin directly. So next thing you want to do is also search for Astra. Okay, search for Astra. Search for Astra. So when you get to Astra, you will see something like this: starter templates, Elementor, BV, Builder, Gutenberg, or whatever it is. So what you do is that you click on install. Okay, click on install. After you've clicked on install, you click on activate. I hope you are getting value, guys. I hope you are getting value. So the next thing you want to do is click on C library. Okay? Just click on C library. Now you are going to see where the magic is going to happen right now. You're going to see how the magic is going to happen. Okay? So the next thing you want to do here, you can see we have Breezy, we have, what you want to do is on Elementor. I just hope that you guys are getting value from them. All right. Now, if you click on Elementor, you'll see different templates here. All right. The one that has agency, you have to buy the the theme, Astra theme, for you to be able to use that. Okay. So just come here. You click on this all, and then you click on free. Okay, so that you won't be disturbed by which one to use. Of course, if you want the agency one, you can go and purchase it, but I'm going to show you how you are going to get that for free very soon. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get the even all of these paid plugins for free, okay? Time. These plugins, all of this one that I'm using here, I'm going to show you, right? So let's look at some of the websites. Choose anyone here you want to use, and you just preview and install. For example, you can see we have even for dentists or clinic, we have a custom printing, we have for pets, we have Windows, we have real estate. If you want to build, for example, now this website is, I said estate.go global, right? We can choose that of real estate. You can, different ones you can choose. Okay, so let's look at other ones. Yeah, this one is for conference, for charity. We have a lot of them. Now, can you see the template that we use here? Can you see? Now, and this is the kind of website I said we are going to build, okay? As you can see, this is the template here. Can you see? Now, this template we want to use is called Coach. Coach. We have motivational speaker here. We have coach here. If you can see the template, I want you to type coach. Type coach. If you can see this coach that I'm showing you here, I want you to type coach, okay? I want you to type coach in the comment section below. If you can see that, I want you to type coach. Type coach, type coach, type coach, type coach, type coach. If you can see it, guys, coach, okay? Type coach if you can see that coach. All right? If you can see that coach, I want you to type coach. I want you to type coach, 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 coach. I am actually giving you guys so much value in this webinar. I'm sure that some of you at the end of this corona whatever, you are going to become millionaires building websites for people, okay? You are going to become millionaires by just building websites for people. Right? So if you can see it, I want you to type coach. All right? I want you to coach in the comment section below. Okay? If you can see it, I want you to type coach. So how many of you are already excited to make money designing website for people? How many of you are already excited? Okay. Anyway, I'm still going to show you. I still have here. I'm going to show you how to make your first 1 So I'm still going to do that for you. But let me quickly do this. Let me install this. I can see that some of you have typed coach already. Modupe says coach. Temitope Idesami coach. Oloyo Ayomide says coach. Okay, Precious. Oh, amazing, 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 amazing. You can see that some of you are following. Okay, so let's click on that coach. So this is the, it has yeah, let's use is now. Contract, right? They said import home templates. As you can see here, they say import home template. Then here we say import complete site. Then here you can preview it. Okay, if you want to preview, you can go and preview it. But instead of this home template, I prefer to say import complete site. So I'm just going to click on import complete site. Okay, now they said delete previous imported sites. Actually, you don't even have anyone there already, so you just click on import. Okay, they said please do not close this browser until the site is imported completely. So you'll see some, they are helping you to do some amazing thing. The magic are happening right now. Magic is not only evil. This is a good magic. Okay, some magic are happening right now. So as you can see, we are going to import the website, and then I will show you how so now they said view website. Go ahead, customize. So you can either click on view website, or for example, I'll just close this one and then I'll just refresh this place. This is the website. This is the former website that we have, right? This is the former one. So I'm just going to click on refresh. You'll see the magic that will happen right now. Wow. Wow. Can you see? Can you see, guys? This is a complete website. Okay? This is a complete website that has just been built. Can you see that? And you can see powered by Millionaire the web designer here. Okay? Right? And this is it. We have the menu, and let's look at the ebook, for example, or about us. Let's look at our about us page. You know, what we did was that we installed the whole complete website. It was not just the about the home page that we installed. Okay, so this is the about us page. You know, this is the story. As you can see, very nice about us page, very nice one. This is let's say courses now, for example. Let's look at some of these courses. You know, these are his courses. I'm not saying probably you have another phone that you can use to check it, but just stay on this webinar and enjoy it to the end. Okay, I will leave this particular website there for some time before you can go and see, because this is a subdomain. I can delete it at any time. All right, this is a contact us page. As you can see, there's even a contact form there. You can send message to him, or you can call him. You know, people can call you on your website, or your clients. As you can see, this is a complete solution for a website. Okay, this is a complete solution for a website. All right. Okay, so now let's assume that you want to edit this particular content on this website. Let me show you quickly. Because of our time, we're already spending so much time. We've spent like 44 minutes here. Yeah, Precious said, can I ask a question? Yes, please ask your question. As soon as I'm done, I'm going to answer your questions. Okay, but please drop your questions right away. If you have any question, drop your questions right away, and I'm going to answer you as soon as possible. Okay, yeah. So now, if you want to edit this, let's assume that, of course, this is not what you are going to allow your client to. Let's just use Elementor. All right, so just click on edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. So it's going to show you, you can see the way you can edit it. So amazing. If you have any question, please drop your questions in the comment section, and I will do well to answer you. If you have any question, drop your question. I will answer you when the question time comes. Okay, just drop. I'm seeing all of your comments. I'm seeing your questions too. Okay, and I'm going to answer you when the time comes. So Precious, please drop your question if you have any question. So we are waiting for the Elementor to finish loading. So let me look at some of the questions. Okay. Precious said, sir, will I purchase the hosting? Yes, sure. You have to purchase the hosting. You have to buy. In fact, you cannot build a website like this without hosting it. Okay. So you have to buy or purchase the hosting. And like I said, I will recommend some hosting to you. In fact, there are some hosting that are super cheap and affordable. I'm going to show you how to get all of that later on. Okay. Some of you, like I said, some of you are going to be in a private group with me, and I'm going to teach you even, how to, in fact, how to, all of those things, how to get cheap hosting, how to get all of the professional teams for free. Yeah, I'm going to show you all of that. Okay, so let's assume that you want to change this. So let's assume that this is that simple. Is it not something you can do? So it's either you write it here, or you come here and just change it. So I just prefer to do this. So let's assume you want to change it to let me help you become the millionaire millionaire that you are meant to be. Okay, so I can just do something like this, and then I'll come here again. Can you see? And then I'll say you can be a millionaire by having your website today. All right, so as you can see, we have start now and we have other buttons there. So then you come here, can you see update? That, so you click on update. So it's updating right now. So you see, let me just quit. All right, can you see it's updated? So I'll just click on preview changes. Okay, I just click on preview changes, or you just go back to the website itself. All right, yeah, we are here. Can you see? Let me help you become the millionaire that you are meant to be. So if you want to change anything there, all you need to do is just go click on anything here and change it. Okay, all right, so you just come here and click on anything and change. So guys, if you have any question, you can ask now. So I've already, okay, let me click on update. Let me click on update. So it's updating right now for all of those changes. Then I'm not going to view, just click on view page. Okay, so it's going to show us the page again. So the page that you just updated, right? Can you see? Let me show you. You can be a millionaire by having your website today. All right, so if you want to change anything here, you just click on edit with Elementor and then make your changes. All right, so quickly let me show you how you can become a millionaire. All right, let me show you how you can make your first million designing your by building websites. All right, if you want me to do that, how to make your first million naira designing your website, I want you to type million. I want you to type million. How many of you want to become millionaires this year? How many of you want to become millionaires this year? Let me show you the simple way by which you can make your first million.